You want me to get it or you get it?
Natalie, are you swimming by yourself? Why don't you swim to Baba?
Natalie,
Go swim to Baba. Whoa. Natalie, hang on.
Come here. Almost. Almost. Wow. Almost. Natalie's swimming. Good job.
She swam by herself.
Good swimmer, Natalie. Wow. That's so good. Come on, hang on. You want to hang on to Baba? No. No. You made it. Oh, good job.
Hey, Natalie, can you swim here?
Swim to Mommy?
Swim to Mommy. Swim to Mommy.
Mommy, over to Mama.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Mommy.
Natalie, where are you going? Are you going to hang on?
Good job. Blow bubbles, that's right. So good, Natalie. I'm very impressed.
Blowing bubbles.
Oh yeah, Natalie. Good job.
Okay, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, Mom.